Hi, welcome to the video. My name is Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to enhance blue eyes using only matte eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and begin. The first eyeshadow that you're going to be using is in the shade called Porcelain. This is going to be your base eyeshadow color, so you're going to go ahead and apply this from the base of your lash line all the way up to your brow bone. Next, take the eyeshadow in the shade called Blondeshell and go ahead and apply this all over your eyelids, and this is going to be your lid color. Now take the eyeshadow in the shade called Taupe and apply just a tiny little bit of it to your brush. Apply that to the outer corners of the eyes and blend it into the crease. And this is going to help just add a little bit of shadowing and dimension to your eyes so it's not so flat. To line your eyes, you're going to go ahead and use the eyeliner in the shade called Cocoa, and because this is going to be a little bit more of a classic and timeless everyday kind of makeup look, I just applied this to my upper waterline. This also helps to make your lashes look a little bit more full. Now to finish off the eyes, go ahead and apply your Lash Project mascara, and I only did about 1 to 2 coats of this on the upper lashes because, like I said, this is a little bit more of an everyday kind of makeup look, so I didn't really go super dramatic with the lashes, but you could go up to like 5 or even 6 coats depending on how dramatic you want your lashes to be. For my lips, I decided to go ahead and do a nude lip, and I applied my favorite nude lipstick, which is in the shade called New York. And then I applied a little tiny bit of the lip gloss in the shade called Tiny Dancer right on top, and that gives you a really beautiful nude kind of everyday lip, which I think goes perfectly with this eye makeup. And that's all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. But until next time, take care. Bye.